In this video, I will be demonstrating how to use the Envelope Distort tool to combine letters with shapes in Adobe Illustrator, which can be used to create logos or other typographic work. Starting with a new document in Illustrator, go to the menu on the left of the screen and click on the Type tool. Click anywhere on the page and then type in the letters you would like to use. For this demo, I will be using my own initials, so RSB. I'm just going to make this bigger so you can see it by clicking on and dragging one of the corner anchor points and holding down Shift as I do so. To change the typeface, highlight the letters and then go to the font menu at the top bar and choose the font you'd like to use. Once you are happy with your font choice, go to the rectangle tool, again on the left menu. For this example, I want to use an ellipse, so to access this, you need to hold down the mouse and then select the ellipse tool from the pop-up menu. On the page, click and drag the mouse to draw an ellipse. Hold down Shift at the same time to create a perfect circle. Make sure the circle is on top of the text. If not, then go to the Object menu, Arrange and Bring to Front. Then select both the circle and the initials at the same time by holding down Shift and clicking on both. Go to Object, Envelope Distort, and then Make with Top Object. And that's it. Follow the same process for any shape you make. Thank you for watching and good luck creating your own letter logos.